Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a great week. I had a photo shoot today, so I'm all glammed up, so I thought I would do my reveal video for the fall box, and I thought that I would do something a little bit more casual because I know the videos are long. I know it. I know I know you don't want to spend the time watching them. They're informative, but I get it. And so I wanted to do something more casual, maybe have them a little bit shorter. And so I'm going to do a quick run through of the fall box, what was in it, and then I have a few things I wanted to preview with you all for the holidays. They're not up yet, but they will be soon. So you get a little sneak peek for watching this. Also, yes, I do have a winger shirt on. So I'm keeping it casual today. Keeping it casual. Okay, so fall box is out. There are a few left, so you want to start your subscription today. You can get a fall box right away. I'll ship it right out to you. We have our info card. As always, it has a little description about the product, retail price. On our back, we have what's in your gift wrap kit and some gift wrap suggestions. And what I'll do is, instead of wrapping on the video, I will post some pictures on Instagram and Facebook so you can see the final product. Here's a gift wrap kit. Some of you might not be familiar with what that is, but it has everything you need to wrap all the gifts in the box. Paper, bags, tissue, ribbon, gift cards, seals, the whole thing. So everything you need to wrap if you want to give the gifts. So our first gift in the box is this candle tin, Bathing Raven Candle Company. It's Morning in Paris. It smells so good. Somebody did an unboxing of this box, and they made such a great point about how candles can evoke nostalgia and memories and things like that. And I love to go to Paris. I don't know when I'm going to be able to go back over to Europe again, but smelling this really, it's very Parisian. So when she was talking about that, I was like, that is so true. Candles really do that. So if you have somebody that's just a huge Francophile or wants to go to Paris one day, would be such a cute little gift. Of course, we have our Tia and Becky matches that go with it. And you can wrap that up. And like I say, I'm going to post all the final wrap combinations just on Instagram and Facebook, if that's okay. I mean, you tell me. You know, I could talk all day. Okay, next gift is, I love these. These are Inklings Papery Scratch Off Lunchbox Notes. And here's what they are. You take this little note card and you can write a little message on it. And then you make your own scratch off. So it has a little scratch off thing you put over the top. And so you put it in your child's lunchbox and they can scratch it off and your little message is underneath. And you can take this a step further and you can put it in your spouse's work bag or put one on a coworker's desk or leave one for a stranger. Practice some kindness. We need to be kind. TPWK. Treat people with kindness. So I just thought these were so clever and versatile. So they're not just for your kid's lunchbox. You can use these. So this could be something you could keep for yourself, and you could use these to leave little sweet notes to people. I'm sure it'll make their day. Okay, next is, this was, I think, the most from the feedback I've gotten, this is the most popular gift in the box, and it's the Modern Sprout Grow Your Own Cactus kit. Succulents are hot right now. So this has everything you need to grow it. The soil, the medium, the seeds, everything. So I'm going to do this soon and I'm going to grow mine and I'll document the progress. But cacti, means, let me make sure I have it right. It symbolizes endurance and longevity. So something you want in your relationships with people. So this would be great to give to a long distance friend, a relative, boss. And I think it's unique. It's something different. And this is not breakable, so it's a nice sturdy container. And I've already put the wrap suggestion on my Instagram for this, and it's so cute, isn't it? A little burlap bag and black and white ribbon. I love black and white ribbon, obviously, as you all probably guessed. Okay, the next thing is the Baker's Gonna Bake planner, and I don't have one with me right now because I wrapped it in here, but it has a list of any kind of baking ingredient that you could imagine. And then on the other side, it's a list. So you can make a list of what you need. And, you know, bakers have to be organized because you can't mess up. You have to follow all the instructions per the letter to make sure that everything comes out right, which is why I'm not a baker. So this is what it looks like wrapped, though, at least. I'll have the picture of it on my Instagram. And then this Star Baker wooden spoon. And I thought a lot of people watched the Great British Bake Off or Great British Baking Show, because I feel like I've encountered a lot of people that have, but maybe you all have not watched it. But anyway, it's very good, and it's really, really soothing TV. So if you have anxiety or anything like that, it is a wonderful show to put on and just be kind of soothed. They have very soothing voices, and everybody's positive, and they're baking, and it's interesting. So when they win the signature challenge, they get to be a star baker. So that's what this is. And so maybe some of your baking friends are familiar with that show and will be familiar with this term, and so they'll appreciate it. So you could gift these separately. There is a little bag that this comes in, but you could also do it like this. Oops, that just needs to be tightened. That bow's a little crazy, but so cute. Paper. I love this paper. Girl with knife. Honey, she's a whole vibe. I love her to pieces. She's a cat mom. I love her. She's got so much great style. Very Palm Springs vibe. Love her. Okay, next thing is To Go Spa Ice Water Eyes. This is one of my favorite things. I love these. They're wonderful for puffy eyes, bags, tired eyes. I mean, we're all looking at our screens all day long. I've used these for they're 10 years. They've been in business for 10 years, and I think I've used them for that long. I absolutely swear by these. And so I wanted to put one of my favorite products in to the mix. And there's 3 sets in here. And these are great to give teacher, working professional, IT friend. They're just very, very soothing and relaxing. Keep them in the fridge, and they'll really be nice and cold, and they just feel heavenly. Maybe you keep this for yourself. Treat yourself, you know? Okay, next we have our Welly Quick Fix kit. I know you see these, in different places, but I loved this pattern. I haven't seen this pattern anymore. It's this green leaf pattern, and so I really liked that. This has 9 bandages, 2 different sizes, antibiotic, and hand sanitizer, which, we still need hand sanitizer. We need all the things. But throw this in your car, throw it in your mom, everybody has kids that play sports, throw it in their bag, put it in a little care package for your kid that's gone off to college or off to school, and they can have a little first aid. I always think you need to have some first aid, and I love Welly. I mean, they have the cutest packaging and make it so fun to have it, and we all need to be prepared. That's what this is. Gift preparedness, first aid, got to be prepared. Okay, the last thing that was in the box was an extra from me to you, and that was Modern Sprout, and Modern Sprout also did this cactus. Modern Sprout, they are so fun. They have the funnest take on gardening and growing things, and they're the nicest, sweetest people, and I just love them to death. But these are culinary seed pops. Do not eat this. You plant it. And there were 3 different kinds. One was stir fry, one was greens, like healthy greens, and then another was pizza, this one here. And so you plant it, and it has all the instructions inside, everything you need to plant it. And this one will have basil, tomato, and fennel. So isn't that fun? You give that to your child, kind of give them a project to do. Just anybody that has the green thumb, just something different, you know, than just regular seeds and things like that. Just a fun little project. So I wanted to throw that in for you. You're welcome. So that was the fall box. I think that was, yeah, that was it. And like I say, there's some more available. And if you want to sign up, give it a try. You'll always be prepared if you have last minute gift. On my website, there's a list of holidays over the fall quarter and like special days that might require some gifting. And so you might find that helpful, but head on over to pksgiftcloset.com and check that out. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few holiday things that are going to be on the site soon. First of all, we're going to do a little conversation set. Aren't these cute? They're roly-poly wine glasses. I love that. And they will come with these napkins. They say stay merry. So I love conversation set. To me is I love to porch sit with my girlfriends and have some wine and sit and hen, which means chit chat or kiki, if you will. And so I put together this little set for, you know, you can give a bestie and you all can use these when you go and have a chit chat. There's always time for a good chit chat with your gal pals. So I just absolutely love these. I think that they're so fun. Another thing that'll be on the site soon is this little sewing kit. It's from Design Works Inc. and I haven't opened it. It has a little tassel and it says Material Girl on it. See that? And then it has, you know, just a little sewing thing. So you have a friend who's like a maker, likes to do things. Look at these cute scissors. This is just something cute they can keep in their bag to kind of have on the go. Real stylish, cute little stocking stuffer. So, or for Hanukkah or whatever, but this will be on the site for the holidays. I should have unwrapped that, but keeping it real. Okay, so I did not have a baking planner with me here, but another planner that's going to be available on the website is this charcuterie planner. Love, everybody loves a board, right? So here's your list, so you can plan your charcuterie board, and then you can put what you need to buy. So keep track of what you have and make a list of what you need to buy. And these are going to be in a gift set. So it'll have some other goodies. I'm not going to tell you what those are. So you'll just have to stay tuned for that. But you know, boards, they're great for entertaining or henning, porch sitting, or for yourself. No judgment. Okay, the last thing that I'm going to preview to you all is this right here. Can you see what it says? Hallmark and chill. Who turns on the Hallmark channel on October 1st and watches holiday movies until the end of the year? Hi, right here. So this is going to be in a gift set, super fun. I'm not going to tell you what else is going to be in it, but I know you have somebody that does this. I also love Hallmark movies and mysteries. So I just absolutely love this wine tumbler because let's face it, that's what we're all going to put in there. Or a cocktail. Or some Topo Chico. So I thought this was so fun. So that's all I've got for you today. I hope you all are having a nice September, and I will see you soon.